Most of our customers have some special efforts on her surface quality, and in this video we want to talk about high quality mirror finishing. My name is Marius, welcome to DATRON Tech Talk. So for mirror finishing you need a special tool, so you cannot make very high quality surfaces with a normal end mill. There you need a special tool. So we got it here, our newest MCD tool. This is a combination of a normal end mill and an MCD plate, but is combined here on the head of the tool. So what is the special thing about this MCD tool? So that means it's balanced, and also we got a very high quality in grinding finishing. And to set it up on the machine is very important. So that means that you have to slow down your machine, you have to take very slow feed rate and not so high RPMs. So that is very important to get mirror finishing. And this combination makes the perfect quality of surfaces. And how this works, I want to show you yet. So here you can see perfectly the result what we are making in the machine. So if you're interested in this surface quality or interested in our tool, we got a link in the video description that you can find the tool in the online shop. If you have any questions about making these surfaces, write us in comment. I would say thank you for watching and see you next time.